Today we will explore the fascinating mathematical achievements of the Mayan civilization. The Maya were one of the most advanced ancient civilizations in the America. Their mathematics were vital for their astronomy, architecture, and their calendar. And today, in this presentation, we will discover their unique numbering system, the invention of zero, and how their mathematics shape their daily lives and their understanding of the universe.
Mayan used a base 20 or decimal system instead of base 10 we use today. They represented numbers with dots for ones, bars for fives, and a shell symbol for zero. Their numbers were written vertically, and each position stood for a higher value like units, 20s, and 400s. This system allowed them to express large numbers easily and perform complex calculations.
One of the Mayans' greatest contribution was the invention of zero. They used a shell-shaped symbol for zero long before other civilizations. Even earlier than in Europe, zero helped them create a true place value system and made their calculations accurate and efficient. This idea was essential, building their advanced calendar and understanding time cycles.
The Mayan civilization created an accurate calendars using mathematics and astronomy. They created the Hub, which is the 365-day solar calendar. And also they created the Tzolk'in, which is the 260-day ritual calendars. By combining them, they formed the calendar round, which repeated every 52 years. The calendars that they created helps them to predict eclipse, track Venus, and also it helps them in planning their agriculture and also their religious events.
Mathematics guided the Mayans in building cities and temples aligned with the stars and planets. They used mathematical ratios for their design, symmetry, and timing of rituals. Their inscriptions, codices, recorded dates, rulers, and ceremonies using their own number system. So there, we can tell that clearly math was deeply connected to their culture, religion, and daily life.
In summary, Mayans developed a powerful base 20 system, discovered zero, and used math to measure time and heavens. Their achievements shows that mathematics was not only numbers, but also about understanding the world. Even though their system was independent, it remains one of the most advanced in ancient history. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the brilliance of Mayan mathematics.